Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to add manual incomes in Clodify system. So first of all, you need to log in as an admin and go to Financials Reports page. In each of the reports we can check the incomes here. Here we can see that we don't have any incomes added and we can add one. So we can add the automatic income and we can add the manual income. Also, we can add here the income. Here we have the action add income. The same, we can add automatic and manual. So today we are adding the manual income and we need to complete here the details about the income we want to add. So let's say it will be this user. Also, we can change the dates, for example, to and we will add some test description and save. So now we can see in the incomes page, we can see the income that we added right now. Also, you can add another income. Here we can also see that the data changed for this financial report. And we can check the income and it will be here. So we can also delete it if we don't need it and add another one, automatic and manual. So this is how you can add manual incomes to the financial reports. Here the page where we can check all of the incomes we added.